Hi, Arya Prakash here. As you know, I am contesting for Student General Secretary. I'll start by sharing my vision. I would like to envisage a campus with a responsible and transparent student body that ensures participation of whole Insti Janta as well as democratic decision making. A truly progressive place where creativity is nurtured and diversity is cherished. Let me tell you how I think this can be achieved. Extending the night transport service for everyone who wishes to access the academic zone, extending the timing of photocopying facilities during quizzes. I would also push for setting up of separate toilet facilities near all entrances and also take initiatives to have an internal cycle sharing system under nominal charges. I would also push for setting up of chill out zones in campus by setting up park benches. In order to ensure transparency and responsible governance, the Hostel General Secretary reviews will be modified into an internal review and a midterm peer review. I would also lay open the expenses of various student-run clubs in front of the students and also conduct a social audit of the teams that come under the SGS. I would also include a provision of rating and certificate to increase the quality of work done by hostel general secretaries and various conveners. I would also publish the results of monthly feedback collected during the time of mess registration to improve the quality and efficiency of messes. In order to improve student participation in various institute activities, I would be conducting lectures and awareness programs so that students will know how SAC works or how CCW works, how INSTI works. To solve the issues of hospital, I would bring a student monitored system that would monitor the complaints regarding institute hospital. I would also take the initiative to begin a pan-IIT Students' Council with the student representatives of other IITs to coordinate and work together at the time of an event or an issue that is affecting the lives of IIT students. In a campus with published rights and responsibilities of research scholars, I would push for the constitution of a research grievances cell with the Research Affairs Secretary to address the issues faced by research scholars. I would also try to increase the monthly scholarship provided for weaker section students with the help of alumni funding. One of my primary concerns will be to reconstitute CCASH, Complaints Committee Against Sexual Harassment, into GSCASH, Gender Sensitization Committee Against Sexual Harassment, to have an active, independent, visible body to deal with cases of sexual harassment. I would also constitute an Institute Women Students Forum for having talks and discussions about women's health issues, how to deal with workplace harassment, etc. I would be reactivating the LGBTQ Forum 1M and hold periodic activities to improve sensitivity in campus. Coming to the credentials, I am currently the Colloquium Core. I was Fine Arts Club convener and Sarang Ambient Super Coordinator last year. I was Sarang and Shastra Coordinator and member, and I was also involved with 5th Estate, NSS and EML team. I was also an active SAC participant. Beyond all credentials, I really do think to have the best 4 years of my life. We have some of the best minds and facilities here. But then we can include people for better, we can innovate for better, we can implement things for better. So vote for that change, vote for Arya.